speak? It's not any politician, it's communists today who are extremely concerned because their space is shrinking in the global sphere after the Quad has come into being. It was already there, but it's got strengthened with this summit meeting. And there's a geopolitical churn which is happening. The expansionist and hegemonistic policies of China have become all too evident, and that is the reason why communists, even in India, are feeling very prickly because of the harm, because the earlier harmonious relationship between America and China has become a thing of the past. The US has been shopping for allies in Asia, which includes India and other Southeast Asian nations, and the Quad is one such example of what has come into being. And India has been part of the Quad. It's been a part of the Quad summit which happened this week, and the concept has got rejuvenated in COVID times and after the COVID, or should I say the China virus, which our communist friend may not like, and also the military expansionism towards India. India has also woken up to the fact that when China used to say Asian century, that wasn't really true. We were being stabbed in the back. And, while we are saying that it's not really a clash of civilizations when it comes to India-China, we have faced it that the superpower balance or the superpower equation between the US and China has changed, and balancing China now has become a goal for the US in Southeast Asia, and India is now part of that agenda. So the communists in India are obviously nervous about this, just like the rest of those countries who were allied towards China. So you are seeing this nervousness, and that's why they're pointing towards Pakistan and Taliban and everybody else.
They don't. The US does not treat us like a major world power.
I didn't hear what you said.
They do not look at us as equals. They just look at us as a counter to China.
So who said we are a major world power?
Who's doing his second term, 7.5 years of rule.
We are not a major world power. We are a developing nation which has goals of becoming a major world power. We are not an expansionist power, nor are we a power which goes on thumping its chest, calling ourselves a major power. We are an ally as far as things which are common between the US and us. The mutual suspicion has decreased whether you like it or not. We are countries which appreciate each other's liberties, our democratic way of governance. The monkey balancing which used to happen has ended. I'm sorry, but you are stuck in the 90s where you look upon US with suspicion. Those things have changed.